What's up, crypto fiends? Your boy Digital Banks here, back with another one. So I'm doing White Rock today. White Rock is on fire. We are up 12%. I'm thinking we're up 17% right now. We've been pumping since yesterday. I just want to make a quick video and touch base with you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe to your channel. All this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and hop on their website and see what they're all about. But this is White. We're doing White today. It's probably my third video on White. We're doing good. Next to a few other of my picks. My top picks are XEN, Sebek, and White. Okay, it's my top picks right now. This bull season that's coming, or are we in it? But those are my top three, and I'm glad that I made my moves to accumulate more during the accumulation phase and get more back. So thanks guys for tuning in. Thanks for following your boy Digital Banks. Please like, comment on the bottom if you like me coming up with you guys more, popping up with you guys more. Please like and subscribe, right? Because I do this, I'm a busy man, but I do this on the side, and I'm all in on crypto. Don't forget that. All right, guys. So let's get into White. White is on fire today. Let's see what's going on their Twitter X. That's what I saw this morning. I think this is what their White network is basically live. Their White network is live, and you need the White net coins as your gas fees. But we'll get into that right now. Let me just check on X and see what's new with White, because this is how I do my research, and I hopefully you do too, right? Use X as your reference base to see what's going on with your favorite cryptos. All right. So White is everything on chain. Buy stocks, bonds, and properties with crypto. All right. So you could swap and everything. And with your crypto, you could buy stocks and bonds and much more, I believe. This is just the beginning for White Rock. Like I told you in my last videos, White Rock is a traditional finance company. They help distribute with financial tools and products for businesses and individuals. So this is a big company, guys. They are over in the crypto space, making noise during other coins that's making noise also. So they're making noise, just like the hypest coin today, which is ZBCN. Boom, here's White Rock. Don't forget about White Rock. Yeah, they had a little bit of altercations and all that, but not altercations, but mishaps a couple months ago. But this is showing you guys how massive these two companies are. Okay, so I'm just letting y'all know that. Don't sleep on White Rock, because White Rock is a top player in our financial industry. All right, don't forget that, guys. Please don't forget that. So you want to get you a nice bag of White Rock before it pops off and loses zero. So let me see. We're going to White Rock. Let's check it out. So White Rock. This was a couple days ago. I made a video about their Fairtoken launch. It's happening now. All right, they pumped 100% community-owned tokens, and then they are listed new on Poloniex, which is fire. New listings, new money, new opportunities. And now I wanted to get into the Fairtoken launch. The Fairtoken launch, they're giving everybody a chance to buy in now to see how much of the circulating supply of coins there may be. But I'm going to look at it now. We're going to look at it together and see what White is talking all about. All right? Because I think White is positioning themselves and being a leading crypto asset. So White Network, high performance blockchain for real world assets. Uh, 200,000 transactions per second and beyond, built-in compliance and privacy. I told y'all in my last video, when I was doing my financial services business, my broker dealership, financial advisor rep stuff, compliance was very serious. Every year we have compliance. Um, you got to pass a compliance test, which is easy. You just watch a video. Wherever they said in the video, you write down and you pass. But it's a compliance video. A video that you have to pass or just be there to do business. If you're not there, you can't do business, right? Compliance is everything, right? And privacy also. We don't want nobody knowing what you got invested for how long, how many years, and just you know make sure your information is private. But compliance is everything. So it's built in the their high performance blockchain, which is fire. Engineered for the future. So I'm gonna go over this with you guys really quick. I don't want to say very quick, but please bear with me. But this is what White Rock is all about, guys. Okay. So let's see. Like the Fairtoken launch. Here it is. So you got 14, almost $15 million. Almost $15 million in total contributions. Their token price is at, we are at 40. White net token price is at 4067, which is a buy. White net market cap is at 15 million. So it's getting everybody in at the ground floor. You could select your contribution method and amount in white or in ETH. The amount right there, connect your wallet, you're all set. So log in with Google or Ethereum wallet, MetaMask, Rabby, Coinbase, etc. Contribute. Choose your contribution amount in either white or ETH, like I said, and your white net tokens will automatically appear in your wallet once distribution process is complete. Okay. So if you want to get those tokens now, guys, do it now. And you see it's coming in. Big money's coming in. Okay, so 10 million total white deposited. 10 million in white. It says these tokens have been permanently removed from supply. 10 million is already gone. All right. So that looks good. That looks great. That's fire. Referral link. So earn white net tokens by referring others to the future of decentralized finance. So you refer them, put the code in, total earnings. That's simple. Who's doing this right now? Not a lot. This is, man, I gotta tell you guys, White Rock is doing this first. Invite, earn, multiply. You guys can go over that. I'm not gonna read all that, but you can go over that because I'm gonna go over the I'm going to go over what's the problem and the solution of why they're doing this. All right, it says engineered for the future. Problem: legacy chains choke under heavy load, leading to clogged mempools and delayed confirmations. No chance for high frequency strategies. Solution: White Network's hot stuff based consensus sustains 200,000 transactions per second with instant finality, eliminating congestion for both trading desk and consumer apps. They already got it mapped out, guys. 15 million in contributions. All right. You start right now. People are going in just now. Here it is, real time. So, join the future. 100% Fairtoken launch. Now I read all the way down to here. Let's get this done because this is fire. You guys need to know this before you invest and do your own research. But it's all, to me, it's all in good faith. Due diligence, for real. So it says, what is WhiteNet? WhiteNet is the native utility token of the White Network ecosystem. It primarily functions as a chain gas token for paying transaction fees, and its additional uses may include governance, participation, staking, and other utilities. Okay, so it's like having ETH, right? Using ETH, it's your gas. The WhiteNet is the gas. How can I contribute? How can I acquire WhiteNet tokens? WhiteNet tokens will be available through our Fairtoken launch. After the initial distribution, tokens may be available on select exchanges and through the platform itself. Okay, you buy it there on the platform itself. What is the total supply of WhiteNet tokens? Now this here is different, guys. I love this part. Your total supply of WhiteNet tokens will be determined by the number of white tokens that participates in our Fairtoken launch. We've designed the distribution to be dynamic with a 1-to-1 conversion ratio. This means that the final token supply will directly reflect the actual community participation, making the supply both transparent and demand driven rather than arbitrarily set like everybody else is doing. They starting from the ground up, guys, and they're bringing all of us with them, right? That's so fire, man. Nobody's doing this. Like, you guys need to get out. This is not financial advice, but you guys need to get in now and then dollar cost average and get as many bags as you can, because this here is going to lose a zero. Not financial advice. Okay, so basically, okay, let's keep going. You understand what I'm saying. Let's keep going. What will the initial valuation price of WhiteNet tokens be? The initial valuation will be proportional to the total participation in our Fairtoken launch. For example, if 30 million worth of white tokens participate, that would represent 100% of WhiteNet's total. That would represent 100% of the WhiteNet supply at launch, establishing an initial market valuation of 30 million. This market-driven approach means that community itself determines the initial valuation based on genuine interest and participation levels. All right, so based on us is what's going to be. It's basically based on the investors, on what the supply is going to be. Why do you call this a fair launch? Our distribution model is designed with fairness in its core principle, unlike traditional token launches that often favor early investors with significant discounts or private allocations. Our Fairtoken launch gives everyone equal access to WhiteNet tokens at the same time, at the same base price. There are no privileged tiers, no preferential rates, and no hidden pre-allocations. Everyone starts on the ground level. Same level, guys, whether you're an individual participant or a large entity. We believe this approach aligns with democratic principles of blockchain technology and ensures the early adopters get the most favorable entry point possible. Okay, so this fair launch is what you want to be in, because those other fair launches had you all messed up. But it says, will there be any tokens reserved for the team or for future development? Our Fairtoken launch is designed to be genuinely equitable for all participants. In keeping with in keeping with this principle, there there are no pre-allocated tokens reserved for the team or the development fund. Team members can participate in the Fairtoken launch on exactly the same terms as all other participants. This means team members will acquire their tokens at the same price under the same conditions as everyone else in the community. We believe this approach creates perfect alignment between the team and wider community. As everyone's tokens come from the same distribution event will identically with say it again. As everyone's tokens come from the same distribution event with identical economics, the the absence of separate team allocations underscores our commitment to making this launch as fair as transparent as possible for everyone involved. All right, so read that over, guys. That's a lot, but when you understand it, you get it. But I hope you understand it. If you don't, please read again, or please hit the comments. Let me know. But I'm gonna do it again. All right. Let me see. Here's what we got. I'll do it again. All right. Our Fairtoken launch is designed to be genuinely equitable for all participants. In keeping with this principle, there are no pre-allocated tokens reserved for the team or development fund. Team members can participate in Fairtoken launch on exactly the same terms as all other participants. This means team members will acquire their tokens at the same price and under the same conditions as everyone else in the community. We believe this approach creates perfect alignment between the team and the wider community, as everyone's tokens come from the same distribution event with the identical economics. The absence of separate team allocations underscores our commitment to making this launch as fair and transparent as possible for everyone involved. Now, this is a real DAO, real team right here. What is the White Network? White Network is an institutional grade blockchain platform specifically engineered for the compliant tokenization of real world assets. We are developing a robust infrastructure that enables secure, efficient tokenizations, trading, and management of high value assets with the enterprise level security and regulatory compliance demanded by our institutional partners. Guys, their partners are huge. Okay, this is traditional finance hopping into crypto. What problem does White Network solve? White Network addresses the significant gap between traditional finance and blockchain technology that has prevented widespread institutional adoption of asset tokenization. While the benefits of bringing real-world assets on-chain are clear, such as fractional ownership, increased liquidity, and streamlined management, implementation has been challenging. Unlike theoretical solutions, our platform is being developed for financial institutions to tokenize their bond portfolios, equities, and real estate holdings on our network. That's trillions. You see what their total supply is? It's a trillion, guys. Trillion supply. They're gonna bring in trillions from the traditional finance on chain. Get ready. Be prepared. Chai Digital reminded you. Come on, guys. Do not forget about White. Okay, they started off rocky. Come on, guys. Give them a chance. This is it. What makes White Network different from other blockchain platforms? Unlike general purpose blockchains, White Network is being developed with a clear route to institutional adoption. White Network targets 200,000 TPS and beyond with a long-term goal of sub 100 ms finality as supporting Infrastructure matures. Its integrated on-chain brokerage. Its integrated on-chain brokerage lets tokenized equities, bonds, and other real-world assets trade 24/7 in a single global liquidity pool. Built-in compliance and privacy layers allow participants to choose native KYC and AML uh, attestation. I used to do this. I used to say this word so much back when I was a financial advisor. This is the first time I've seen it in a long time. Okay, to choose native KYC attestation or zero knowledge shielding without compromising speed, delivering an institutional grade stack that unifies instant settlement, regulatory readiness, and user sovereignty on one blockchain. No more financial advisors needed. Woo, okay, so guys, read this. This is serious business. Join the future. They're bringing security, like, I sold securities, okay, securities and investments. They're bringing it to crypto. You guys need to be prepared with this. This thing can go crazy. Say BlackRock invest like a big chunk of money. NASDAQ, StoneX, Fireblocks. A trillion under management on chain is going to have this over $1. You have to get this in your portfolios now. Charlie Digital Banks told you to. Yes, I told you to get it. This is not financial advice. Just read it, get it, okay? White Rock. So guys, please do your own research, like and subscribe. I've been watching this thing since February, and you see they broke out of this crazy bull flag. It broke out of it. So I ain't gonna mess with this right now. But let's look at the indicators real quick before I go. All right, Bollinger Bands. It's been tight. We're above that orange line. If these blue lines get wider, we're going to the moon. Let's do my RSI. We're going to the overbought territory. We're still in the neutral area right now. We're over the 50, but we're going to go up here. This is the daily, so yeah, we're on our way. And then the MACD. MACD is about to go above this neutral area, above this in the green area. We're above the orange, so we're looking good for the daily. You may see about a few days of green, hopefully. Not financial advice. Nothing's guaranteed in investments. Don't forget that. But we are looking good. We're curling over the orange, which I like. On the 4-hour, we are well above. The day, we're getting up there. So the next few days should be good. Good money for the team, for us early buyers, man. And then, let me see one more. I ain't gonna do the sarcastic right now, but I'll do the sarcastic just cause. Yeah, we're looking good. We're above for the day. For a 4-hour, we're above. For the day, we're curling up. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. We are getting ready for a nice pump with white. We may lose a zero. Let's see.